This groundhog is named Pepper. We feed her grass, tree bark, and insects. But the food that she likes best is corn. We found that out yesterday morning when she got out from her pen. We found her in the petting zoo. She ate a lot of the corn that was there for the ducks and hens. Here are your spelling words. The first word is zipper. Zipper. There is a zipper on my jacket. Zipper. The next word is barking. Barking. The dog is barking at my neighbor. Barking. The next word is perfume. Perfume. You smell so good. What perfume do you use? Perfume. The fourth word is morning. Morning. Good morning. How are you today? Morning. The next word, carpet. Carpet. Please come sit down on the carpet. Carpet. Forest. Forest. The forest has a lot of trees. Forest. Border. Border. Look at the tiger walking along the border of his pen. Border. And finally, the last word, today. Today. How are you today? Today.